The biggest story of this last year, besides of course Avengers Endgame itself releasing, was that Disney was actually purchasing Fox, meaning something incredibly important for the MCU moving forward. Basically what the purchase meant is that from now on, Marvel characters like the X-Men, Fantastic Four, and Deadpool can appear in the MCU, as the MCU is owned and controlled by Disney. And now those characters and their rights have reverted to Disney, meaning that in the MCU we can expect characters like Wolverine, the Fantastic Four, Magneto, far more. Today on Twitter actually, we got some really cool news about this next phase of Marvel movies, and one of the Fox characters in the MCU. That character was Deadpool, with recently last year people talking about the possibility of getting a PG-13 Deadpool movie. However, it was revealed that at Marvel they full well know that the character of Deadpool is very much rated R, and that at Marvel and within the MCU, once Deadpool enters it, he will remain a rated R character. What's interesting is we have very little information on exactly what Marvel Phase 4 currently looks like for the MCU. If you guys want to know exactly what movies have been confirmed and those that are rumored, you can check out my video earlier today. However, today on Twitter, when asked about it, the creator of Deadpool himself revealed that Deadpool 3 would be coming and very soon, meaning that this is near confirmation that Marvel is actually planning to have Deadpool 3 in Phase 4. And again, it was revealed that Deadpool would be an integral part of the MCU moving forward, and would be the first MCU rated R property. I know this isn't anything groundbreaking, but I still thought it was interesting to share with you guys that again, the Deadpool character will not be forgotten and will be in the MCU, and also will remain rated R, just as the creators of the MCU understand that Deadpool is a rated R character and has to remain that way. But again, today on Twitter, the creator of Deadpool did confirm that Deadpool 3 is happening, and that it will be happening very soon, meaning that again, this is near confirmation that perhaps at the end of Phase 4, we'll get Deadpool 3. But what are your guys' thoughts on this? And what do you think Deadpool has in store for us once he enters the MCU? And what do you think a Deadpool 3 will look like with that character in the MCU? Thank you guys as always so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the Infinity War Hot Toy figure giveaway. Hit that subscribe button to assemble and join our team, and have a great day.